Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the UpScrolled app on your Android phone. So if you want to start scrolling, discovering content, and staying updated, just follow along step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now, open the Google Play Store on your device. You can usually find it on your home screen or swipe up to locate the Play Store icon in your apps. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar at the top and type UpScrolled. Then hit search. You should see the official UpScrolled app at the top with the UpScrolled logo. Tap on it. Next, tap the Install button. The app will begin downloading, and once it's finished, it will automatically install on your device. After installation is complete, you can open UpScrolled directly from the Play Store by tapping Open, or find the UpScrolled icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. When you open the app for the first time, you may need to sign in or create an UpScrolled account. Follow the on-screen steps to provide your details, customize your feed, and complete the setup process. Once done, you'll be ready to start exploring content, saving posts, and staying updated on trending topics. And that's it. That's how you download and install the UpScrolled app on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick guides and Android tips.